everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I think this is my second item, my second purchase for 2022, and this particular item is part of a Louis Vuitton special edition for Valentine's Day. So when I was on the website, I was like, wow, this is part of the Valentine's Day collection. Is it too early for Valentine's Day? So anyway, they just released this during the New Year's Eve, I believe. And this one is already available on New Year's Day at the store. I was able to order this through my essay, and yeah, I was so excited. So yeah, I mean, Valentine's is just around the corner, so it make more sense that they released this prior to the Valentine's Day. So anyway, the packaging as usual is beautiful, and let me show you what I got. Okay, so here is, okay, oh wow, there is, hold on a minute. Okay, so let me just take this item out. I was a little bit confused for a moment. So this is, oh, okay, so okay, now I was trying to figure out why is it I have two dust bags here. So okay, so let me just take this item out from their dust bag. And okay, so it's here. Oh, even okay, so I was a little bit confused right there for a moment. So anyway, let me just put this one aside. Okay, so these are actually the inserts, but I'm gonna go over through these inserts. I'm just gonna later on, I'm just gonna show you the bag itself. Wow, it's just I did not expect that this one came in with this dust bags though. They put it separately, but actually that's a good thing. Why? It's because this particular material is very, very delicate. The calf leather is very delicate. So anyway, moving on, so much for the packaging. So this is a Felicie pochette, and it is part of the Louis Vuitton special edition for Valentine's Day. It is a monogram. Look at that. Let me just take a moment to appreciate its beauty, because I just literally saw this. Wow. The color is absolutely beautiful. The pattern, the monogram flowers. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It is very, very shiny. As you guys could see, I could literally see my ring lights and the other lights as well. Oh my gosh. So I could literally see the reflection of that's how shiny it is. So anyway, this is made up of this monogram vernis patent calf leather, in which the embossed monogram right here, as you guys could see, this one are embossed through the calf skin leather. So the embossed monogram pattern is surrounded. It's surrounded by a glow. So there's a glow right there by a neon light. Yeah, probably to emphasize more the monogram right here. And this one is pink. The entire bag is pink, but the monogram pattern is actually, we have a blue, the white, and baby pink as well. Wow, this is such a really nice and such a feminine color. It has a really like a soothing effect color to me. It's more calming effect, the color, I should say. Wow, so beautiful. And on the side, there is nothing. It is just this calf leather at the back. As you guys can see, it has the same print, but this one is made up of one continuous piece of calf leather, because you could see that at the back it is actually the other way around or inverted. So you can see right there the LV, and then when you turn on the other side, they are inverted. Just the LV logos right there. So anyway, this one is a press stud closure right here with the gold hardware. So let's open it. The interior has this beautiful, I'm a little bit, it's more like pink, but it's like really lighter pink. The color, it is so hard to describe the color in the inside, but yeah, I should just say pink. It's not even a rose ballerine. So this is the inside. So the inside is more likely just a large compartment right there. And on this corner right here, it is a flat pocket that goes towards from corner to corner, from side to side. It's actually pretty long though. So that is just the compartment right there. We have a patch right there, leather patch right there. It says, what did it say? Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France right there. So I don't know with the hot stamp or the heat stamp for this, I don't know why they didn't even put the gold foil in it, because this one has a gold hardware. So I was expecting to see that the stamping should be in gold. But anyway, that's the design. This one didn't have a date code. That's because anything that was crafted last year after May, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, there will be no date codes anymore. But that one actually varies though. It varies. It's sometimes some of the items it has a date code or microchip. Sometimes it has a microchip and also a date code as well. So it varies. But in this case, this one only has the microchip. Okay, so this is how it looks. The special edition for Valentine's Day Felicie pochette. Last year, I remember it was more likely a combination of a red color. That one is also stunning as well. So this is the main purse. And now to all of you, to all of my viewers out there, and also if you're a Louis Vuitton, if you're familiar with Louis Vuitton items, if you're a collector, we guys all know that Felicie pochette came in with 2 inserts. And that's what I love about it, because it just makes me feel like you find a lot more use of it, of all the items, and it just makes me feel like personally that it makes my money worth. That's just like my own perspective. So anyway, this one came in with these 2 pouches right here. The one is, both of them are flat, but the other one is the same pattern as the purse itself, and it has a zip closure with this vernis pull tab right here, gold hardware as well, and it is just flat right there. Inside the logo says Louis Vuitton Paris, and it is flat. The inside interior is actually so beautiful. It is pink as well. Let me close it. Very, very smooth. That's what I love about it. And this one is this side. At the back, it's made up, it's not made up of continuous piece of leather. So that's a nice thing. I just love the Felicie inserts, guys. I could use it in any of my purses. It is flat. It doesn't take a lot of room in your purse though, but well, I probably have at least 5 in my collection, and you cannot really use this together with the pouch itself. That's because it takes a lot of space. So I use them separately. So maybe you could use one of these and that's it. Not both at the same time. Okay, so that is the zip pouch, and next we have the flat pocket, the flat pouch with this 8 card slots. So we have 4 on this side, and we also have 4 on this side as well. So we have, yeah, 4. And then it is in color pink as well. So on the inside, yeah, it has this compartment right here. Actually, this one could fit a passport. So if you have a passport, it could fit in here. So let's take a look at what it's in here. Okay, this is a microfiber cloth where you can use to wipe the leather, because it is made up of a vernis patent cuff leather. So most of the time you see a lot of like fingerprints if you touch it. So this one, you could actually use this to wipe the smudges or any sort of fingerprints on your purse. So this is what it is for. And then we have a textile information right here: outside varnish calf leather textile lining. Okay, this is the translation in French. And this is the item. It's M81142. So this is the product information right here. And then, oh, she also put the price. Also, there's actually, okay. So most of the time they don't normally include this. They don't. So this is the price, $1,570 US. That's before tax. So I just really want to make it sure if this is the right one. So M811, yeah, it is actually the same. So yeah, this is the price for the pochette. And last year I think I paid $1,300, which is better, but now the prices are going up. And next we have in this pouch, wow, she really took her time to wrap this one separately just to protect the vernis leather. So this is the strap. This is one of the most versatile strap from Louis Vuitton, the chain strap. And it is very shiny. Love this piece. I use this a lot in all of my purses. Really nice. But of course, it is a chain. It is not adjustable. It is removable though. So you could just put this one on the pouch itself. And you could also just carry it as a clutch. Like that. As a clutch. And you can use it as a crossbody as well. Right here. Right there. So you could just literally use it like that. But it looks so gorgeous. It looks so beautiful with the gold hardware. So I would suggest to use it with a chain. It is actually very, very cute. So let me close this one. Okay, so that's how it looks. It's a beautiful chain. Oh my gosh. This one is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Yeah. So, yeah, I would also, they also release a lot of stuff though. This one came in with 2 different colors. There's one in blue and this one is in pink. And they have a bag charm, the circle bag charm. They also have, how do you call that? They also have a zippy coin purse as well with different colors similar to that. And also the same color as that. They also have what else? A mini pochette. The blue and the pink. I actually saw the blue at the store and the pink. They are available at the store. I was a little bit surprised. I told me, I said, wow, why are they still available? And they said, yeah, we actually, when I went to the store, I have never seen any of these collection on display. They are still at the shelves. They're still all leather, and when you go in, it's more likely a lot of canvas. But this collection when I walk in, as long as with the denim collection, I wasn't able to see that at the shelves. Maybe they sold out, it was reserved, or I have no idea. But most of the time, you see like tidbits of the collection. It might be a charm somewhere, or it could be like, it could be anything for that collection. But I looked around, I didn't see anything at all. Maybe it has already been, all those items in this collection has all been spoken for. I'm not sure, but I think this collection has already been sold out. It's been sold out on the website since the day it was released. I know that because I checked the website while this was released. It's like around, I think that was Friday, New Year's Eve, around 6 o'clock in the afternoon, Pacific Standard Time. This was already gone live, but it is called for availability. That means it has been sold out. A lot of items actually keeps coming back for a few minutes though. But yeah, if you want something from the collection, from the new collection, you better act fast because they sold out pretty quick. But if you're working with a sales associate, that's even better. That's because you don't need to refresh the website. You don't really need to stock the website. All you have to do is just let your sales associate know that you wanted this particular item. And yeah, it's easier that way. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.